how much money I have. I'm going to buy 4 squishies. I'm going to buy iBloom strawberry jumbo ice cream jumbo donut and iBloom peach. So yeah, let's start getting it.
So I'm gonna get for this squishy was not iBloom, and this squishy was this peach squishy was not iBloom because I don't have the iBloom, and this squishy is not big because I don't have big donut squishies. So I'm gonna just give her one little one, and this little ice cream because we don't have iBlooms. Ice cream squishies, so I'm just gonna give her this. That's all. Let's go leave this packet in her door.
Oh, it's been. Oh, that might be my package. Oh, yes. I didn't got a backpack. So yeah, I feel like she just gave me a bag. I don't know. PJ, don't come in my room. Sorry, my brother. Can I get this? Okay, so let's open the package. Ooh, they don't come in the packages. And this is ripped a little on the top. So my brother's being rude, sorry. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to say that because they gave me a backpack. And this is not iBloom. I could tell this is not iBloom. And this might be an extra. Wait, what? This is no. This is not an extra. I order iBloom peach, iBloom strawberry. Well, it is pretty airy. No, is this supposed to be my jumbo donut? And is this supposed to be my jumbo ice cream? I'm going to go contact her. Okay, so yeah, that was my life of a squishy scammer skit. And this was my friend. She's my neighbor. So yeah, this was definitely fake. So yeah, it was fake. And I know you're going to tell it is fake because you maybe seen part of her face when I was holding the phone or stuff. So yeah, it was fake. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Oh my god. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as January Reels. So yeah.